We are fucking back. It has been like 100 years since I've posted my last video, but we are gonna hit 1 million subscribers before my birthday. My birthday is 5 days. You guys have 5 days to get me 1 million fucking subscribers before it's my birthday. I want something good for my birthday present. Understand that? You don't know how it feels. I'm posting this on a rusty old iPad because I don't have money to buy food. I have money to buy food, but not good food. So it will mean the world to me if you guys subscribe.